Poland, as a member state of the European Union, has aligned its national data protection laws with the GDPR. This alignment is evident from the introduction of two key pieces of legislation. 1. The Personal Data Protection Act of 10 May 2018. This act was enacted to replace the previous Personal Data Protection Act of 29 August 1997, thereby directly incorporating the GDPR into the Polish legal system without the need for further transposition. It establishes a new supervisory body, the President of the Office for Personal Data Protection, Polish DPA, which replaces the previous Inspector General for the Protection of Personal Data. The new DPA is endowed with broader powers than its predecessor. 2. The Act on Amendments to Sectorial Acts accompanying the GDPR of 21 February 2019. This law introduced amendments to over 160 sector-specific regulations, affecting areas such as employment, banking, and insurance. These amendments are aimed at ensuring full compliance with the GDPR across various sectors of the Polish economy. Key definitions and concepts. Personal data, defined broadly in line with the GDPR as any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. This includes a wide array of identifiers such as names, identification numbers, location data, and online identifiers like IP addresses. Processing encompasses a wide range of operations performed on personal data, including collection, recording, organization, structuring, storage, adaptation, retrieval, consultation, use, disclosure by transmission, dissemination, or otherwise making available, alignment or combination, restriction, erasure, or destruction. Data Protection Officers, DPOs. Organizations are required to appoint a DPO if they are public authorities, engage in large-scale systematic monitoring, or process special categories of personal data on a large scale. The DPO must have expert knowledge of data protection laws and practices. Breach notification. Under the GDPR, data breaches that pose a risk to the rights and freedoms of individuals must be reported to the supervisory authority within 72 hours of becoming aware of the breach. If the breach is likely to result in a high risk to the rights and freedoms of natural persons, the affected individuals must also be notified without undue delay. Enforcement and sanctions. The Polish DPA has the authority to impose administrative fines and has been active in enforcing the GDPR. For instance, in 2021, the Polish DPA issued 17 administrative fines, predominantly for failures to cooperate with the DPA and insufficient technical and organizational measures to ensure information security. Conclusion. Poland's approach to data protection exemplifies the country's commitment to ensuring the privacy and protection of personal data in accordance with GDPR standards. By enacting comprehensive legislation and establishing a robust supervisory authority, Poland aims to safeguard individuals' data privacy rights while accommodating the needs and challenges of various sectors.